AI won't take your job. Instead, it will become your trusted helper, caring for patients, assisting doctors, and saving lives in ways you never imagined. By 2030, AI could monitor your health constantly, detecting diseases long before any symptoms show up, helping doctors act early and save lives. AI could communicate with your doctor on your behalf, managing appointments and treatments, and even 3D print organs whenever your body needs them. It could help disabled people walk again, predict mental health issues early, and offer a personal fitness and diet coach for free. This isn't science fiction. It's quietly happening right now. Are we ready for this future? Follow for more AI updates.